If there's one thing I love when building a product or building a new company is being able to sell a product that you don't even have yet. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today is how do you sell a product before you even have anything to even show people? A lot of people think when they launch a new business that they need to have the website perfect, they have to have the perfect logo, business cards, the full product. They spend literally months, if not years, trying to perfect every little step of the business, and then they go out and sell and they realize that nobody even wants what they have to sell. So what I want to talk about today is literally start selling from day one before even having a product to actually sell. Hey guys, welcome back to the SaaS District channel. My name is Akhil Jabbar. I'm the investment director and partner at Horizon Capital, where we work with SaaS companies who are looking to take their business to the next level. Now, I want to use this kind of comparison that I like to learn and you guys can maybe understand with, which is in real estate and how that applies to building an online business. And this actually applies for any business that you can use. Now, if you guys walk around your neighborhood or maybe somewhere in your city, you may see something called what we, in real estate, a pre-development or pre-construction site. So there might be a building, it might be a new apartment, it might be a condo complex, or it might be a bunch of houses in a neighborhood where you see them, they're building all this nice stuff, or you just see some landfill, some movement happening. They also have a sales center. So you go to the sales center, I don't know if you guys have been in there and are looking to learn more about their business. They have a sign saying, buildings coming soon, home coming soon, or they got a nice image of a nice new apartment that you can expect to see that's going to be built here. And you go in there and you say, they say, come book an appointment, get pre-approved, or pre-sales is now on. And you walk into there and what do they show you? They don't have the actual building ready yet. They don't have the house ready yet. They don't have anything physically for you to buy and start using today. They're telling you this will be ready in 1 year. This will be ready in 2 years. This will be ready in 3 years. But you can buy it today for a low price. You're coming in there, not walking away with anything, but people are still putting their money down. Why is it that they're willing to put money down when they don't have a product to get that actual day? What they're showing you is a blueprint though, okay? They're gonna show you a blueprint. Maybe they'll show you a mock-up. Maybe they'll show you an actual model, a little figurine of what the final product would look like. But all that is super cheap to create. That's not as expensive as actually going out and building the home or building the building, right? So take that into building your business. Before you go build the building, I want you to look at how can I build a really, really good blueprint? How can I build a really, really good model or a mock-up of what I'm planning to sell? And that's what you're gonna sell. You're gonna sell them on the idea of, look, this is what you can get. This is what we're working on. This is how it's going to look like, and sell them that vision, that idea that that's what they're going to get. And you want the payment today. If they secure it today, you're going to give them a discount. You're going to give them early access. They're going to get a better deal if they start giving you the money today before they actually get the end product. So I want to give you more specifics on how you can apply that to your business. So when you're pre-selling your product, get your, let's say, a landing page. Okay, build your landing page to be really, really good. Nice design, nice testimonials, nice video. Spend a lot of time on that front end and have a clear call to action on what you want people to do. And before you actually perfect the back end, let's see if people are actually willing to pay you and enter their credit cards. And that's going to validate whether your business is worth investing in further or not. Simple as that. Get that mock-up. That's your blueprint, that landing page, simple logo, pricing, discount. Get that all out there, social media pages, traffic to the page. Let's see how people are reacting. What is the comments? What are the questions people are asking you? Take all that in. Once people start putting in their credit card, validating that you have a business, people are interested, people are excited. Now you go and build your real building. So hope that makes sense, guys. I want you guys to be aware of this. Pre-sell your business before you go out and build your product. All right, guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe to SaaS District, and comment below. What are you currently working on, or what have you done to help pre-sell your product before actually having the final product? Thanks again, guys, and see you guys on the next video.